Hi students, welcome to our YouTube channel Maths Insights. I am your maths teacher Shiva. Today's topic is to solve the examples of the chapter Straght Lines in class 11. Those are at page numbers 209, 210 and 211. These problems are based on the concept of slope of a line. See what the problem example 2 says. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4. Angle between two lines is given and slope of one of them is 1 by 2. You have to find slope of the other line. See, if you draw the lines, let this is the first line and this is the second line. Since they should not be parallel, then four angles will be formed. This is one pair which are equal to each other. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles, and this is the other pair of angle which is also vertically opposite. In these four angles, two pairs will be equal to each other. You have to find either of them. If you find first if acute angle, then you have to subtract that acute angle from 180 degrees. Now I have given already a video on how to find angle between acute angle between two lines. That is solution: tan theta is equals to modulus of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the formula. In this formula, three variables are involving. One is theta, which is angle between the lines, and m1 slope of the first line, m2 slope of the second line. In these three variables, if you know any two of them, you can easily find the third variable. What are the data given? You have to write. Given that theta is equals to pi by 4. See, this is radian measure. You have to convert it into circular measure. 180 degrees by 4 gives you 45 degrees is the angle between given two lines, and let m1, which is slope of the first line, I am assuming it as m1, is given as 1 by 2, and m2 you have to calculate. I will substitute all these values in this solution, in this formula, then you will get the answer. That implies to tan 45, theta value is given as 45, that is equals to modulus of m2, we do not know m2 minus, but m1 is given as 1 by 2 by 1 plus m1 value is 1 by 2 and we do not know m2. So, it is very easy to know what is tan 45. It gives you 1 is equals to modulus of m2 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus m2 by 2. You know, when mod x is equals to, if mod x is equals to a, then x may be plus a or minus a. X is equals to a or x is equals to minus a. In this way, I will open this modulus also. That implies to m2 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus m2 by 2 is equals to 1, or m2 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus m2 by 2 is equals to minus 1. 1 is equals to positive, 1 minus 1 is another equals to negative 1. If you do the cross multiplication here, m2 minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 into, so 1 plus m2 by 2. Since you are multiplying with 1, it will not make any difference, or this is important. So, m2 minus 1 by 2 is equals to minus 1 into 1 plus m2 by 2. So, if you do simplification, you will get value of m2, my dear students. So, m2, I am taking m2's on one side and numbers to one side. So, plus m2 by 2 will become minus m2 by 2, and this is 1, minus 1 by 2 will become plus 1 by 2, or in this case M2 similarly, M2. In this case, if you multiply this plus M2 by 2, it will become minus M2 by 2, and if you take to other side, that will become plus M2 by 2. On other side, you will have minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Minus 1 is there. This minus 1 by 2, when taken to other side, it will become plus 1 by 2. So, this is, see, M2 minus M2 by 2. 1 M2 minus half M2 will give you half M2. Half M2 is nothing but M2 by 2. This is also 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 and half. 1 by 2, which will give you 3 by 2. Okay. Or here also M2 plus M2 by 2. 1 M2 plus half M2. 3 M2 by 2. Don't take LCM. 3 M2 by 2, that is equals to minus 1 plus 1 by 2, means minus half. On both sides, I will get cancel these 2's. Therefore, in this case M2 is equals to 3, and in this case 3 M2 is equals to minus 1, M2 is equals to minus 1 by 3. These are the values of M2. M2 is the slope of the second line. If slope of the first line and angle between them is given, you will go to the next example. Example 3 says, line through the points. They have given a line which is passing through given points is perpendicular to the line passing through another 2 points. You have to remember, you have to identify which are important words. This word perpendicular here is very important. We know that when two lines are perpendicular to each other, the product of their slopes is minus 1. And if the lines are parallel to each other, then their slopes will become equal. You have to keep in your mind. So, our given lines are perpendicular to each other. I will find slope by using the first 2 points of the first line, and I will find the slope of the second line by using the same formula. Then I will do product of their slopes and I will equalize to minus 1. Shall we see solution? Slope of line, okay, through, what are the points the first line is going through? Minus 2 comma 6 and 4 comma 8. Let slope is equals to, m1, that is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. All of you know the formula, difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. That implies to m1 is equals to, see, difference of y coordinates means 8 minus 6 by 4 minus of minus 2. That will give you 8 minus 6 is 2 by, this is 4 minus of minus 2 will give you plus 2. That is equals to 2 by 6. So, 2 1s are 2 3s are, that is equals to 1 by 3. This is slope of the first line. In the similar manner, I will find slope of the second line also. Slope of line through, what are the second 2 points? 8 comma 12 and x comma 24. Let slope is equals to slope of this line, so it's different one. So, I am giving different representation. Similarly, y2 minus y1, you have to write formulas many number of times, then they will be in your mind for longer time. While writing, you have to spell them. So, what is difference of y coordinates? 24 minus m2 is equals to 24 minus 12 by difference of x coordinates, x minus 8. So, that is equals to 12 by x minus 8, that is equals to m2, means this is the slope of the second line. Both lines are perpendicular, that is given in the problem. Since lines are perpendicular, okay, m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. So, whatever the values you got for m1, m2, I will substitute those values in this regard. 1 by 3 into What is M2 value? M2 value is 12 by x minus 8. Product of their slopes is minus 1. So cancel 3 ones are 3 4s are. That implies to 4 by x minus 8 is equals to minus 1. Very simple. So doing cross multiplication, 4 is equals to minus of x minus 8. Multiply with minus, then you will get 4 is equals to minus x. Minus into minus will become plus. Means if you take x this side, that will become minus becomes plus x, that is equals to 8 plus 4 will become minus 4. That implies to 4. Therefore, value of x is 4 by using the concept of slopes. Now you will go to next example 4. This is also based on the same concept, my dear students. When you say 3 points on a line, they are nothing but collinear points, means you can find any required values by using the concept of slope. See, in this case they have given 3 points P, Q and R. I am saying that they are on the same line. Then they are asking something, proof. See, if you take a line, let the points are P, Q and R. They are clearly saying that these points are lying on the same line. Means you will find slope of the line by using the points P and Q. Next you will find the slope of the same line by using the points Q and R. Since you are finding slopes of the same line, they will become equal. Then you will get the answer. Okay. Slope using P, H, K and Q, x1, y1. You know very well, you have to read every time when you are writing, then only formulas will be in your mind. Before that you have to understand the concept. Slope is equals to difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. What are y coordinates here? y1 and k. Therefore, y1 minus k by these are x coordinates. So, x minus h. Now, slope using what are the second and third points? Q. What is Q? Q is x1, y1 and or x2, y2. Similar manner, slope is equals to difference of y coordinates, that means y2 minus y1 by difference of x coordinates, that means x2 minus x1. You calculated the slope of the same line since the points are lying on the same line. Therefore, these two slopes are equal. Points are on the same line. Therefore, slopes, what is the first slope? y1 minus k by x minus h is equals to second slope, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If you do cross multiplication, y1 minus k into x2 minus x1, that is equals to x minus h into y2 minus y1. If you check whether you got the required answer or not, see here h minus x1 is there, here x minus h is there, means you have to take minus 1 on both sides and you will get cancel them, then you will get the required answer. Here also you require k minus y1, but you have y1 minus k. I will take minus common, therefore this minus k will become plus k and this plus y1 will become minus y1, and remaining or same, whatever they are asking, x2 minus x1, getting x2 minus x1 is equals to minus h minus, here also h minus x into y2 minus y1. If you cancel these minus on both sides, you will get your answer. K minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equals to h minus x into y2 minus y1. This is our required answer. Next we will go to the next example 5. In this case also you have to use the concept of slope. What they are saying in the figure, what is the figure here? Time and distance graph of a linear motion. Linear means straight. So the motion is straight is given. Two positions of time and distance. See, time is related to distance. When time is increases, then the distance traveled will also increase. Such positions are given 0, 2 and 3, 8. And they are saying that the third position is t, d. Then using the concept of slope again, using the concept of slope, you have to find how this time, how this distance depends on time, and by using the law of motion. It's very simple, my dear students. See, you are having 3 points on the line, means by using first 2 points I will find the slope, and by using the second and third points I will find slope again. Both slopes are related to the same line, therefore you may equalize them. By equalizing you can find how this distance depends on time. Very simple. Okay. Slope by using 2 points, what are they? 0, 2 and 3, 8. I will find slope. Okay. Slope is equals to, you know, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That implies to y2 minus y1 is nothing but difference of y coordinates 8 minus 2 by and difference of x coordinates 3 minus 0. That is equals to 8 minus 2 is 6 and 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So slope of this line is 2. I will again find the slope of the same line by using the second and third points. Slope again by using, what are the points? 3, 8 and t, capital D. They are not giving the values of t and d. From this you have to find how these d and t are related to each other. That implies to slope is equals to difference of y coordinates, means these are the y coordinates. You may write d minus 8 or 8 minus d also. However you have written, you have write the x coordinates in the same order, otherwise you will get different answer. So I am writing d first, d minus 8 by t minus 3. This is the slope of the same line. Since points are collinear. What is the meaning of collinear? Lying on the same line. Therefore you may equalize the slopes. The first slope is 2. 2 is equals to d minus 8 by t minus 3. Doing cross multiplication, d minus 8 is equals to 2 into t minus 3. This is how t and d are related to each other. So these are the example problems, my dear students. I hope these are understandable to you. If you think like that, please do subscribe to my channel and share it, like it. We will meet in the next important video. Until then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you very much.